Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to set live wallpaper on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of issue. After updating software, just open your Photos app and just select the live photo which you want to set as your own live wallpaper. Or you can also use your camera app, open camera, tap on the more option here, then tap on live and enable live from here. Once I enable live, just take a live photo, and after taking a live photo, you just have to go back and open your Photos app, select the photo, and now in your photos, just tap on the share option, then select use as wallpaper. Now on this screen, you have to make sure that you have enabled this live wallpaper option. So once I've enabled, just tap on add option at the top right and then tap on set as wallpaper pair. After that, just go to lock screen and check your new wallpaper here. So in this way, you can easily set a live wallpaper from your own live photo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.